Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about continuity and discontinuity. Question number 1. Does limit s approach to minus 3 fs exist? Just justify your answer. So based on the graph, you can see that the limit on the left is about number 1, the limit on the right is about number 3. It means that the limit on the left is about the negative side, we just know that on the left is about minus 3 of the negative side in here from left to right. So you got about number 1, the limit on the right of the minus 3. That's if we put about minus 3 positive, we got about number 3. So that is mean the limit on the left not same with the limit on the right. So we can conclude that they are not exist. Because if they want to exist, the limit on the left and the limit on the right, they should have the same value. Next one. Question number 2. Is the function continuous at x equals 1? So we can see that if we put the limit on the left and limit on the right, and we can see they have the same value. That's about number 1, and it means left equal to the right equal to number 1, so they are continuous. Question number 3. What kind of discontinuity does the function have at x equals number 3? We can see that the graph they go to infinity. This one go to the negative infinity. This one go to positive infinity. So we can say about infinite discontinuity. This is the name of this one. Question number 4. What happens to the function values as s gets larger and larger with half power? So this means the s they go up to the right in here. So we have the answer. S approach to positive infinity. This means they get more bigger and bigger. And based on the graph in here, they go to infinity and they approach to the line that's about 0. So we can know the value of this situation is about 0, because they approach to the line that's about y equals to 0 in this line. So it means they approach to this line. That's why they go about the 0 in here. Question number 5. What happens to the function values as x gets closer and closer to 3 from the right? So we have the limit. We have number 3, and this is from the right in here. So this is about positive, and we have function. As you can see that they go to closer to number 3 on the right, and they go up to infinity. This is about the positive infinity of the y, so we put about plus infinity, and this is, we see that the number is go up to the sky. That's why this is about positive. That's the end. Thank you for watching.